Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students. In today's session, we are going to learn a new chapter, that is Paryavaranam. Students, this is the last lesson in our syllabus. And as we know, Paryavaranam means environment. This lesson is a short essay written with the aim of learning about the environment. Environment refers to the natural surroundings and conditions in which we live. Unfortunately, this environment has come under serious threat, and this threat is entirely caused by human activities. We human beings are continuously harming our environment in the name of development. Most noteworthy, this damage to the environment risks the survival of all the living beings on earth. In this situation, environment protection has become our primary responsibility. We need to plant trees. We need to clean our rivers, conserve energy. We need to build wells, lakes, gardens, etc. to live a happy and peaceful life. This is what is suggested by this lesson, Paryavaranam. I hope you will enjoy the lesson. So let's get started with the chapter.
अत्रास्ति प्रथमः गद्यांशः. अहं गद्यांशं पठामि. प्रकृतिः समेषां प्राणिनां संरक्षणाय यतते. इयं सर्वान् पुष्णाति विविधैः प्रकारैः सुखसाधनैः च तर्पयति. पृथिवी, जलं, तेजः, वायुः, आकाशः च अस्याः प्रमुखानि तत्त्वानि. तान्येव मिलित्वा पृथक्तया वा अस्माकं पर्यावरणं रचयन्ति. आव्रियते परितः समन्तात् लोकः अनेन इति पर्यावरणम्. यथा अजातः शिशुः मातृगर्भे सुरक्षितः तिष्ठति, तथैव मानवः पर्यावरणकुक्षौ. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given gadyamshah. Tanyeva Vasmakam, Ajatashishuhu, and Tathaiva. These four are the examples of sandhihi. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Tanyeva, the sandhi vichhedah is Tani plus Eva. Vasmakam, the sandhi vichhedah is Va plus Asmakam. Ajata Shishuhu, the dissolution is Ajatah plus Shishuhu. And Tathaiva, the sandhi vichhedah is Tatha plus Eva. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshah.
Prakrutihi samesham praninam samrakshanaaya yatate. Prakrutihi means nature. Samesham, of all. Praninam, of living beings. Samrakshanaya, to protect. Yatate, tries. Nature tries to protect all the living beings. Iyam sarvan pushnati vividhaihi prakaraihi sukhasadhanaihi cha tarpayati. Iyam, it. Sarvan pushnati. Pushnati means nurtures. Vividhaihi prakaraihi, in different ways. It nurtures all in different ways. Sukhasadhanaihi cha tarpayati. Sukhasadhanaihi, with the means of comfort. Tarpayati means satisfies or pleases. It satisfies or pleases all with various means of comfort. The meaning of the sentence is, it nurtures all in different ways and satisfies or pleases them with various means of comfort. Prithvi, Jalam, Tejah, Vayuh, Akashah cha asyaha pramukhani tattvani. Prithvi means earth. Jalam means water. Tejah means fire. Vayuh means air. आकाशः च and sky अस्याः प्रमुखानि तत्त्वानि. Pramukhani tatvani means fundamental elements. Earth, water, fire, air and sky are its fundamental elements. तानि एव मिलित्वा पृथक्तया वा अस्माकं पर्यावरणं रचयन्ति. Tani eva means these elements. Militva means together. Pruthaktaya means separately. Va or. Asmakam paryavaranam rachayanti. Make our environment. These elements together or separately make our environment. Avriyate paritah samantat lokah anena iti paryavaranam. Avriyate means encompasses. Paritaha from all sides. Samantat lokah the entire world. Anena iti paryavaranam that which encompasses the entire world from all sides is called environment. Yatha ajata shishuhu मातृगर्भे सुरक्षितः तिष्ठति तथैव मानवः पर्यावरणकुक्षौ. यथा just as अजातः शिशुः an unborn child मातृगर्भे in the mother's womb सुरक्षितः तिष्ठति stays safe. तथैव likewise मानवः पर्यावरणकुक्षौ. Kukshau and Garbhe, these two words have the same meaning. So Kukshau means in the womb. Paryavarana Kukshau in the womb of the environment. The meaning of the sentence is just as an unborn child stays safe in the mother's womb, likewise a man stays safe in the womb of the environment. It means man stays safe surrounded by the environment. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshah.
Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Samesham is the Visheshanam of the word Praninam. The word Vividhaihi is the Visheshanam of the word Prakaraihi. The word Pramukhani is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Tattvani. Ajatah is the Visheshanam of the word Shishuhu. And Surakshitah is the Visheshanam of both Shishuhu and Manavah. I hope you have understood it. Now let's discuss the important forms used in the Gadyamshah. The forms are Militva, it has Mil Dhatuhu plus Tva Pratyayah, and Surakshitah, it has Su Upsargah plus Raksha Dhatuhu plus Ta Pratyayah.
Students, the first Gadyamshah of the lesson is big, so I have divided it into two parts. We have seen the first part of the Gadyamshah. I hope you have understood it. Now let's see the next part.
Here is the next part of the Gadyamshah. I'll read it out. Parishkrutam Pradushanarahitancha Paryavaranam Asmabhyam Samsarikam Jivana Sukham Sadvicharam Satya Sankalpam Mangalika Samagrincha Pradadati. Prakruti Kopaihi Atankito Janah Kinkartum Prabhavati Jalaplavanaihi Agnibhayaihi Bhukampaihi Vatyachakraihi Ulkapatadibhischa Santaptasya Manavasya Kva Mangalam. Now let's see the words with Sandhihi or Sanyogah from the given Gadyamshah. Students, in this Gadyamshah, there are three examples of Sandhihi, and they are Mangalika Samagrincha, Atankito Janah, and ulkapatadibhischa. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Mangalika samagrincha, the dissolution is Mangalika samagrim plus cha. Atankito janah, the dissolution is Atankitah plus janah. And ulkapatadibhischa, the sandhi vichhedah is ulkapatadibhi plus cha. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshah. Parishkrutam means clean. Pradushanarahitam means free from pollution. Paryavaranam asmabhyam samsarikam jivana sukham. Samsarikam jivana sukham means worldly pleasure. Sadvicharam, good thoughts. Satya sankalpam, true ideas. Mangalika samagrim means auspicious means of living. Pradadati means gives. The environment which is clean and free from pollution gives us worldly pleasure, good thoughts, true ideas and auspicious means of living. प्रकृति कोपैः आतंकितो जनः किं कर्तुं प्रभवति? प्रकृति कोपैः means by the fury of nature. Atankitah means disturbed or terrified. Kiं kartum prabhavati, what will he be able to do? The meaning of the sentence is, what will a man disturbed or terrified by the fury of nature be able to do? Jalaplavanaihi, agnibhayaihi, bhukampaihi, vatyachakraihi, ulkapatadibhischa santaptasya manavasya kvamangalam. Jalaplavanaihi means by floods. Agnibhayaihi means by fire. Bhukampaihi means by earthquakes. Vatyachakraihi means by windstorms. Ulkapatadibhischa and by meteors. Santaptasya manavasya, a man who has got affected by all these. Kvamangalam, how would he attain well-being? The meaning of the sentence is, how would a man affected by floods, fire, earthquakes, windstorms and meteors etc. attain well-being? I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Vishesha Padani from the given Gadyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Vishesha Padani. The words Parishkrutam and Pradushana Rahitam are the Visheshane of the word Paryavaranam. The word Samsarikam is the Visheshanam of the word Jivana Sukham. Atankitah is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Janah, and Santaptasya is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Manavasya. Now, let me take you to an important form used in the Gadyamshah. The form is Kartum. It has Kru Dhatuhu plus Tumun Pratyayah.
I hope you have understood this part as well. Now let me take you to the Agrimaha Gadyamshah.
Atrasti Agrimaha Gadyamshah. Aham Gadyamsham Pathami. अत एव अस्माभिः प्रकृतिः रक्षणीया तेन च पर्यावरणं रक्षितं भविष्यति. प्राचीनकाले लोकमङ्गलाशंसिन ऋषयो वने निवसन्ति स्म. यतो हि वने सुरक्षितं पर्यावरणम् उपलभ्यते स्म. तत्र विविधा विहगाः कलकूजिश्रोत्ररसायनं ददति. Students, the word Kalakuji Shrotra Rasayanam has a printing mistake. The word should be Kalakujita Shrotra Rasayanam. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Gadyamshah. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are Ataeva, Lokamangala-shansina Rushayo Vane, Yatohi, Paryavaranamupalabhyate, and Vividha Vihagaha. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Ataeva, the dissolution is Ataha plus Eva. Lokamangala-shansina Rushayo Vane, the Sandhi Vichchedah is Lokamangala-shamsinah plus Rushayah plus Vane. Yatohi, the Sandhi Vichchedah is Yatah plus He. Paryavaranamupalabhyate is the example of Sanyogah and the dissolution is Paryavaranam plus Upalabhyate. Vividha Vihagaha is the example of Sandhihi and the Sandhi Vichchedah is Vividhaha plus Vihagaha. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshah. Ataeva asmabhihi prakrutihi rakshaniya. Atah eva means hence. Asmabhihi, by us. Prakrutihi, the nature, rakshaniya, should be protected. Hence, the nature should be protected by us. Tenacha paryavaranam rakshitam bhavishyati. Tenacha, and by that. Paryavaranam rakshitam bhavishyati, the environment will get protected. Prachina kale lokamangala shansina rushayo vane nivasanti sma. Prachina kale, in the ancient times. Lokamangala shansinah means those who were the well-wishers of the society. Rushayah means sages. Vane, in forest. Nivasanti sma, used to live. In the ancient times, the sages who were the well-wishers of the society used to live in forest. Yatohi vane surakshitam paryavaranam upalabhyate sma. Yatohi, because. Vane, in the forest. Surakshitam, safe. Paryavaranam, environment. Upalabhyate sma, was available. Because the safe environment was available only in the forest. Tatra vividhaha vihagaha kalakujita shrotra rasayanam dadati. Tatra, there. Vividhaha vihagaha, various birds. Kalakujita shrotra rasayanam means nectar for ears by their chirping. Dadati, give. The meaning of the sentences, their various birds would give nectar for ears by their chirping. It means birds would please the ears with their chirping. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Rakshitam is the Visheshanam of the word Paryavaranam. The word Lokamangala Shansinah is the Visheshanam of the word Rushayah. The word Surakshitam is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Paryavaranam. And Vividhaha is the Visheshanam of the word Vihagaha. Now, let's discuss an important form from the Gadyamshah. The form is Rakshitam. It has Raksha Dhatuhu plus Ta Pratyayah. I hope you have understood it.
Students, I would like to end the explanation here. We will meet again with the next part of the lesson. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha.